If your viewers doesn't subscribe to your channels, this is what you are going to do whenever you want to upload the video. There are some settings you need to do when you are uploading a video to make your viewer to subscribe to your channel. If you did not do this, you will not gain any subscriber from your video. You can see say many people experience this thing. They can have like 1,000 view on their video, which is out of this 1,000 view, they cannot even get 50 good subscriber from that video. If you are facing this challenge, on this video I'm going to show you the setting you're supposed to do on your YouTube studio to make you to start gaining a subscriber from any video you post. If it is what you like to follow me to learn, do well by subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video you get notified. Like I told you earlier, on this channel I'm going to show you how to grow your YouTube channel. Like my previous channels, I do this thing and it will work for me. That is why I brought this thing to you, that it will work for you. I gave you genuine update, like what you people don't know. You suppose, because I take my time, like since 2020 I was studying what YouTube is all about, and by God's grace I got it successfully. Because when you see this channel, I started it new. When you start a channel newly, we know say subscriber is not your focus. What is your focus is how to make your video to go viral, to start getting your 4,000 watch hour. Because for me, 4,000 watch hour is the highest things that is hard to gain in YouTube. So but on this video, subscribe to is okay. If you can get like, can grow like getting 1,000 2,000 subscriber, at least you know say you have already built up something on your channel. So that is why subscribe is important for you. So this video particularly good for you that you are doing like new YouTubers that they never get enough subscriber, like this my channel too. That is what I used to do to make me to gain a subscriber. I no go do the thing instantly until when I gain some watch hour. But if you like and you know say you need to get your subscriber, do this thing right here right now. I'm going to take you to my screen where I will show you all these things, because you all guys know what YouTube is request. We need our 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour to monetize to YouTube partner program. So if you know say you are needing a subscribe now, you need to subscribe to meet up with your own now. Do what I want to show you on my screen here. Make sure say you follow it step by step for you to turn this thing off. Make sure say you turn this thing off, because it's very important. If you not turn this thing off, you will not gain any subscriber for your video. You could still remain as you remain, and some of your video now cannot even go viral because YouTube will not take it to your right audience without doing this thing. There are many settings that is hidden inside our studio, YouTube studio, that we don't know. But let me start from this one first. For the next video, I'm going to give you another setting that you need to do. Maybe you are somebody that you post a video, your video does not get in view, like you don't get like, it's very shameful for you to get like 50 video on your channel and that channel is not monetized. Me, it's not going to work. Channel that have like from 30, 40 to 50 video supposed to be monetized. So if now this mistake you are doing, this video is here for you to show you how you go going to come up with that mistake. That mistake will going to end only if you do what I want to show you on this video. Without not wasting much of your time, let's go to the screen. Let me show you how to set this thing, how to turn it off automatically for your video to start go to your right audience. Google Chrome. Let's wait as our Google Chrome is open. So you are going to search for this YouTube Studio dashboard that you are seeing here. For the first arrow, click on it. You're going to click on this YouTube Studio. Then use the website that we are using, Chrome. Don't use the app. If you use the app, you'll not see that feature. Use the Chrome for better feature. We are waiting when the studio is loading to open. You have to wait patiently so that the thing can open. Here is our YouTube Studio. That is what you see on your YouTube Studio. This thing that you are going to turn off is when you are trying to upload video. That is where you are making this setting. If you did not making this setting, you upload already, you can never come back to reset this thing again. So that is why you need to be careful when you are upload the video, to make sure say you do it on this setting. I can't lie to you guys, I did do it for my other channel, but as I upload some video on this, I never do it because me, I believe say very soon when the video plenty on this channel, I have to go to my other channel to drag the subscriber to come here. So the subscriber is not my problem for here. But if you are new across this my video for here, you never see any of my video on YouTube before, this is your first time of seeing my video here, do well by subscribe, as we are going to take this thing now, as we are going to learn this thing. First of all, I will be zooming it so that you can see what I'm pressing. First of all, you are going to click on uploading, this arrow up here, or create, anyone you like, or click it, but I normally use this arrow up here. So I have clicked on it. You see what we have here? See, drag and drop video file to upload. You are going to click on selecting file. Like for me, I'm using Android, so let's go download. So let me just try to use one file, do an example. Let me start using one file, do example. Okay, it's not a video, sorry. So let's go into video. Maybe let me just click on this. So let me click on the first one. When you see like rain is dropping, your video is uploading. You can see it here. So now it upload. Let's assume I put my title, put my description here. Like when you title your video, like the what the video is all about. Let me add this my own title first. So I believe you all guys know what title is all about. So I prevent to let's leave it because I'm not going to upload this video. Then come back to description. You come back to description, then you are going to select your thumbnail here. I'm not going to select this thing, so I have to go back. Okay, from here they ask whether this is for the kid or not kid. You are going to click on this show more. Click on show more. Sorry, I have network issue, that is why. So this click on show more that you see, this setting will locate at, I will zoom it so that you guys can see. Here is the setting that we are talking about. Here is the setting we are talking about here. I want to zoom it so that you can see it properly. Now here is the setting we are talking about. You see these two mark, this one where I close now, and this two where when I on here. You see allowed embedding. This allowed embedding is click, then push publish to subscriber fee and notice subscribers. If you know say you are looking for subscriber, you know say yes, your channel never get subscriber, you are looking for subscriber, that video where you want upload, that you want put this detail, you should not select this down on off am like this, because when you select this thing, YouTube will only push your video to only your subscriber. Now only your subscriber they'll push your video to. New viewers would they hard to find the video. When you click it like this, if you leave it like this, let me honor, if you leave it like this, now only the subscriber want to see. But when you off it, YouTube will publish your video to the right audience, that people that are interested into this thing, they watch the video, then they'll come subscribe. Because most of video we are posting, if you check people that are watching it, is not a subscribers. Most of them is not coming from subscriber. But if you have enough subscriber and you want to feed your subscriber, you can mark it. you can mark it. But if you don't have and you are looking for a subscriber, don't mark this option. Then go ahead, fill the for the rest of the detail and upload your video. So for me, I don't want to upload this video. I don't want to upload this video because I just want to use it to do experiment for you guys to know. So I'm going to delete the video. I'm going to delete the video from my studio. So let me go delete this video first. It's like I'm having network issue here. That is why it's taking time. So I think